What's one piece of advice you give to someone dreaming of solo ocean sailing but hesitant to start?
I understand the hesitancy, but get going. If you don't know how to sail, you can either take a course, or I personally feel the best way is go down to the local yacht club and see if you can crew. People with the boat are always looking for crew, and just be very straightforward that you don't know what you're doing, and let somebody teach you and get some experience. But the key is to get going. Don't be so afraid that you never start. Get going, give it a go. If it's not for you, you'll find out. If it is for you, you'll be absolutely sucked in. I remember when I first started sailing, which is 25 years ago this summer, I only went sailing by accident. A member of the family came to visit in Toronto, and I didn't know, what are we going to do? I suggested we go experience sailing for a day. He didn't want to do it. He said it was too dangerous, which it wasn't. But after he'd gone home, I thought, I want to do that. So I went down, signed up for the day. It was a one-day, experience sailing course. The morning was learning about the techniques and the points of sail and that kind of thing. Then we had our sandwiches. Then we went out on the boat in the harbor, so very protected. Within half an hour, I was completely and utterly hooked. And I thought, I have to do this. And I've been doing it ever since. So please, if you're interested, just begin. Just start slowly and get going, and you'll soon find out if it's for you or if it's not. And if you, and until we meet on the water, I wish you fair winds and a reliable diesel.